Hello. I wanted to make a quick video for you to kind of give an explanation on this particular question that you had here. The plugins can be seen here, but part of the problem that I was experiencing when attempting to make the other video, or at least answer the question for you, was that the plugins, they're used by activating shortcodes or putting shortcodes on your page or on the widget or in a post. They weren't activating, and the reason is in part was that you had plenty of updates to do. You had about 8 updates, not including updating WordPress itself. And actually I left 2 of them here to kind of show you exactly what they'll look like. Well, not exactly, but kinda. WordPress is going to notify you when there are updates or something that you should look at. So for plugins, you had about 8 of them here, and at the top here you had a yellow bar that mentioned that they were at WordPress 3.6.1 and you should update. You were using 3.5.2, and so I upgraded it for you. I did the update as well as for the plugins, but I left these here, and they need to be done. You should always have a backup of your site, as well as you should be doing your updates, because that's the way you're going to be able to keep your code as well as the CMS, which is WordPress in this instance, running and functioning properly. So in this particular case, we see 2 updates. We're going to go ahead and just kind of follow the instructions here. It's pretty much going to be pretty easy to figure out, but just select all. We'll click update themes, and it's going to go through the process of doing it for you. There's nothing for really you to know that goes behind the scenes, except for the fact that it's just updating. But it is going to go through update process. You'll probably notice that there's some spinning wheels or something to that effect, depending on your browser. So now that that's updated, boom, that's gone. Same thing goes with comments. I'm pretty sure you know that this means that there's a new available comment that you have to manage. So now you are using WordPress 3.6.1. Which is a significant difference than 3.5. So now that that's in place, I'm able to get the plugins to actually utilize the options through the shortcodes in order for them to work. So I installed 3 plugins. I had to do a little bit of research because I'm not familiar with all the plugins that are completely available to WordPress, because there are hundreds of thousands of available that are out there that are available. But in order to create a table, did a quick lookup and found WebSimon, Ultimate Tables, and Easy Table. And I believe I explained to you about Easy Table already. So what I did was I installed and I just made a couple of just examples. So this is what Easy Table will look like. There'll be a name, a table name here, and you can have the top part of the columns, and then you can have the rows, and you can designate how many as you want in there. This is the second one. You can change the color. All of them you can kind of manipulate color and things like that, but this is what the second one looks like, which is WebSimon tables, and this is the third one. This one in particular, the color, you can't really see it really well yet. You just have to edit the coloring here. But what this does happen to do is it allows you to actually do a search for particular fields, if you're looking for those fields. And it allows it to just populate the ones that just have whatever it is you're looking for, as well as you can select frequency in here, so or you can check the row type and it'll change. So that particular one is Ultimate Tables, and you can see all 3 of these in here. And in order to actually access them, you'll have to simply go to the WordPress dashboard and kind of look for them. So whenever you add a plugin, you're going to have to look through here. It is not something that is going to show up on the sidebar here. It may show up on the sidebar, it may not. It really depends on the developer. But in this case, we don't see it here. So if we actually look through here, voila, we see 2 of them. We see Ultimate Tables and Easy Table. But where is WebSimon Table? So if we go through Tools, boom, there's WebSimon. There's no rhyme or reason. It's just a matter of where the developer wanted to put the optionary for it. So if you actually go into Easy Table, the options to use Easy Table are in here. I won't be able to go through it all in this particular video, but you'll want to go through here and just kind of look this over and do some reading over on it. I believe for what you're looking to do, you may want to stick with Ultimate Tables. So if you have any further questions, feel free to ask me, but go ahead and tinker with them and let me know where you get up to. Thank you very much. Have a great day.